Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about using SoFi for direct deposit. The short answer is yes, you can use SoFi for direct deposit. In fact, doing so unlocks several key benefits. First, you can get paid up to 2 days early. SoFi posts your paycheck as soon as they receive notice of the incoming funds, which can be up to 2 days before your scheduled payday. Second, setting up direct deposit with SoFi can help you earn a higher annual percentage yield, or APY, on your savings account. SoFi offers a competitive rate, but it's often conditional on having an eligible direct deposit. Third, direct deposit can get you access to features like no-fee overdraft coverage. With qualifying deposits, SoFi will cover you for up to $50 on debit card purchases without a fee if you accidentally overspend. Setting up direct deposit with SoFi is a straightforward process. You'll need to provide your employer's payroll department with your SoFi account and routing numbers. You can find this information easily on the SoFi app or website. Some employers may also require a direct deposit form, which SoFi can provide pre-filled with your information. In conclusion, SoFi is a great option for direct deposit. It offers a range of benefits that can help you manage your money more effectively. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.